welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a high puff tutorial, showing you guys how I quickly put my hair up in this high bun. I'm taking a dimming brush to detangle my hair out a little bit further. This is freshly washed hair with no product in it. And I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel, the olive oil kind this time, and I'm going to slick that around my edges to start the process of slicking my hair up into the puff. Using this Cantu Detangler, I'm going to apply that to the top part of my hair to soften and detangle it a little bit further. And because I wanted my hair to be smoother, I went on top of the Eco Styler gel with this Shining Jam gel, and this is just a little bit stronger of a hold than the Eco Styler gel. I'm taking my hard bristle brush and I'm brushing that in to get a really smooth, sleek look. And I'm just checking to see if my hair is as slick as I would want it to be, and if it's not, I'm going back in with more gel to get it smoother. So in the spray bottle, I have aloe vera juice. I'm just spraying that on my hair to help lock in moisture and to detangle. And then I'm taking these double wide scrunchie. These are the type that most people use for puffs. And I'm wrapping it around my hair twice and then sliding it up to get the desired puff style that I do want. The key to my natural hair puff, especially when I'm doing it this way and not defining my curls, is to make sure that my hair is as detangled and soft and manageable as possible. So lastly, I'm taking my Style Factor Edge Booster and I am sleeking my edges out just a little bit further. This step is completely optional because I do understand everybody is not here for like the extra strategic baby hairs or whatnot, but if you like, you could just leave the style the way it was before I go in with my edges. But for me lately, edges are definitely a must. They are the finishing touches to your hairstyle, and this is just the way that I've been rocking mine lately. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, all of that. And I'll see you guys in my next video.